Hi guys, AP English Lit Fall 2020. This is my welcome video for you. I am going to show you how our Canvas class is going to be laid out so that you can hit the ground running next week. I hope this will give you guys a little comfort as we start out in this crazy online situation. Okay, so I'm just going to show you. If you go right to our Canvas class, AP English Lit, that's us. So just to get started, you can, there's my little welcome thing. I'm very proud of it. That's Crumpet. Rainey made him a little flower costume. So I'm just going to have a week at a glance for every week that you guys have. So this is the home page. So if you just read these instructions, navigate through this class, go to the week number module that we're currently in. For example, this is week 1, so you would click on week 1 welcome. Right? And that's going to take you to, you can also get to it through modules. So week 1, welcome. There it is. Week at a glance, 1. All right, so this is everything you're going to have to take care of the first week. So starting on Monday, the first week, the first thing that you can do, if you want, is I just lined out the short little assignments that I want y'all to do. So make a Flipgrid. This is going to take you to a Canvas assignment, and it's going, can I make this bigger? Then we're going to go to this Flipgrid link, and it's going to have a little prompt. What was your favorite children's book of all time? Tell us a little bit of the story. Why did you like it so much? Where and with who do you remember reading it? And I think this is fun. It has kids from earlier classes and their responses, so you can see them. So you can record that, and then you will turn that in over on Canvas for this book love assignment. Okay, so back to our week at a glance. Okay, so that's one thing you got to get done next week. And then for class meetings, I'm going to try to meet twice a week for just a few minutes, not a super long 90-minute class. And the link for that is just right here. So you're just going to click on that. And if we were really doing this, it would, my class would be right here, and I would be here, and your classmates would be here, and you could answer questions, ask questions, all that good stuff. Okay, so that's the meet. And that link isn't going to change. It's just going to be the same link the whole semester. And so anytime we meet, and you can write this on your calendar, we're going to meet once on Tuesday and once on Thursday. Now that's just for the first week. From there on out, starting on Monday the, let's see, it'll be Monday the 31st. Then you're going to meet one more time to do Poetry Monday. And that is right here. So this is something that we do once a week, every week. We read some poems together and analyze them because there's a big part of the AP test that's about poetry. So I gave you a sample. You can read through this. You're going to find a poem and you're going to respond to it. And I showed you my sample that I wrote a few years ago. Okay, so then going back to our week 1, week at a glance. So there's the poetry. Then you're going to meet again on Thursday at 9:06 a.m. for about 15 minutes to ask questions, all that good stuff. And then you're going to respond to a poem using this form. And that will get you ready for the first Poetry Monday, which will be the following Monday. So that's basically it, how we're going to get started next week. Very low pressure. Please let me know if you have any questions. Email me and we will get this figured out. I don't want anybody to stress about it. We're all in it together, and we are going to get to the end of this class and pandemic, hopefully. All right, I can't wait to talk to you guys. I can't wait to see you next week. The first meet, again, will be Tuesday at 9:06 for about 15 minutes. So you can just come here to click on this link and it'll take us to your first meet. And you can ask any follow-up questions then. Okay, I can't wait to see you guys.